Hello, and thank you so much for visiting my channel. I wanted to let teachers, students, and parents know about the resources that I have to help you in your homeschooling and even in your regular schooling. If you go to my website, arhampton.com, hover over my work, you can click Teachers, and it will bring you to this page, Student Success, Grammar and Writing, and all of these resources that I have available for you all. Teachers, you can go ahead and click the Teachers Pay Teachers link, and it will take you here to the store that I have on Teachers Pay Teachers, Urban English Distance Learning. And as you can see, you can get a free download. I have quite a few resources here available. I don't think you have to be a teacher to buy these resources. I know you have to be a teacher in order to post them, but I'm not sure about that. So here are my featured items. These are all videos. And here's a listing of the rest of the products that I have. And I purposefully chose topics that I know you need some sort of video or digital lesson for. So adjectives, adverbs, argument essay, video, classification essay, the conditional statements. These are the PDF slides, full color. Same with the conditional statements here, full color PDF slides, slide decks. So you have a host of resources here at very affordable prices. These are worksheets that I know you're going to absolutely love. Video on figures of speech. So many resources here. The illustration essay, that's a really hot one that's difficult to teach. Not really difficult, but when you're trying to pull together resources, then it can take a little bit of time. Object complements. Now this is a must. This is the slide deck for it. Full color, but that's really helpful. The process essay, relative pronouns. So as you can see, I've got a mix of videos, PDF slides, and worksheets as resources here on my Teachers Pay Teachers Pay. And then here are more videos and more resources that are tagged distance learning because they really are helpful. Especially if you have to flip the classroom, it is helpful to already have videos on topics that you are going to teach over and over again, especially if you are teaching English. I do not assume that English teachers are the only one getting these resources because truly we are all responsible for teaching writing, whatever area you teach. Okay, so again, there's my Teachers Pay Teachers page, and I did that because I do enjoy supporting other teachers in their lesson planning and getting their materials together. I know how difficult it is. It took me hours and hours and hours to put all this together so that you don't have to. So again, this is my Teachers Pay Teachers page. All you have to do is go to my website, arhampton.com, click Teachers. It will take you to this page with all sorts of resources. I also have classes and online classes dedicated to helping teachers, parents, and students books in your learning and in your instruction. All right, thanks so much for watching and happy learning.